Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to the first ever Community Mining Rigs Showcase, episode number 1. The most prestigious episode ever. For those who will be showcased in this episode is of the highest prestigious of them all to be in the first episode. Who am I kidding? I'm a nobody. I'm sorry, guys. Guys, I just wanted to make my first episode of showing the mining rigs of all the ones that I've received so far on my Discord. I'm sorry, guys. Sorry for that. Sorry for that intro. But before I get into this, guys, I wanted to talk about first where I got the idea. And I'm not trying to copy this guy. As you know, most of you guys may know this guy. His name is Blind Run. That's his nickname. But it's Mr. Son of a Tech on YouTube. He did a lot of mining rig wars, and like cryptocurrency rigs, and talked about video cards and all that kind of stuff. Really cool guy. You guys should go follow him. I'm not trying to copy him. He has a different way of doing it. He's got the a voting system for it. I'm not going to be doing any of that kind of stuff. All I'm going to be doing is just like showcasing the rigs that have been sent to me, and yeah. So yeah, just telling you guys where I got the idea. He's got a lot of Mining Rig Wars episodes. I believe his last one was about 4 months ago. So I thought that's also another reason why I thought I'd get into starting it. So let's get started, guys. Sorry for that long intro. Okay, let's start with Wardy. Wardy. Join my Discord. And he uploaded this little picture here. He mentions $0 FPGA, rig frame, and GPU, FPGA, CPU mining. Okay, all right. Let's take a look. So I don't know which FPGA that is because I don't have an FPGA myself. It looks like the BCU 1525, the squirrel one. Looks like it has the black backplate with the looks like he's got the custom water block on it, and I heard these ones you have to water cool. That's pretty cool. What else he's got here? He's got, is it on a wood block? Yeah, on a wood block. $0 rig frame. Yeah, so it's looks like just a flat MDF board. I think he's got a steel thing behind it as well. Yeah, pretty cool. All that $0. That's pretty good. FPGA. Which GPU is that though, Wardy? I'm gonna have to guess. That looks like a EVGA card or a Zotac card. I'm not sure. This looks like an MSI card right here. Pretty cool. And then he's got the blue lights here with the radiator for the water cooling here. Nice. Wardy, nice setup, man. If you're watching this, it's very nice. And also, you're the very first one on my episode. Feel proud. Okay, next up is Yankee. Half green team, half red team. Alright, let's check this out. Mr. Yankee, dude. Look at what you got here. This is like a farm or what? This is huge. All in one rack. I'm guessing each of these have 6 to 8 GPUs in them. All in little enclosed riserless. Oh yeah, right. 8 card riserless cases. Okay, I missed the picture here. Yeah, look at that. Look at that big fan on the side there. Yankee, you gotta invite me out of here. Invite me out to where you are. I wanna come see this and chill. GTX 1080 Ti rig. So this is what the enclosure looks like. Man, that is legit. Okay, no, I don't believe this is riserless. This must be, yeah, these are risers. These look like the Ubit risers. So I don't think these are riserless. motherboard ones. These are just the, he's just using the risers with the motherboard in it. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Also, these must be pretty big cases then. Yeah, these must be really big. That's pretty cool though. Yankee, that's very nice, man. Very nice. What else? Man, Yankee, you are a certified baller. Because if you got this kind of stuff going on, look at the networking here. Look at this beautiful cable management. Ah, just beautiful. I'm a network guy myself, so I really appreciate that. I appreciate those kind of things. Ah, look at that. More server cases with hidden mining rigs. Very nice. Very nice. Oh, I see. Okay, no, 8-card riserless cases. Okay, no, these are riserless. I'm sorry. And then this is just another rig here. I think this must be the server case ones. Yeah, yeah, this is the server case ones. Okay, I misread. 1080 Ti rig in the server case. Pretty cool, man. Pretty cool, Yankee. Yankee, oh man, 100%. Super legit. That's awesome, man. Okay, next up is Aegis on Discord. Alright, see what he wrote here. 8x, 8 times 1070 Ti, and 4x 970 GTX as backup hash power. Alright, what do we got going on here? What is this? Is this like a cut power cable, or... Yeah, let's keep going. Oh, he's... What, 3D printing something? Aegis, looks like you were 3D printing something. What is that? Okay. Or maybe he uploaded 2 pictures wrong. Okay, this looks like the ASRock 12 PCIe board. Nice, nice. I love that WD Western Digital Blue hard drive, 1 terabyte. I like that. I like that. Looks like which frame is this? This looks like one of those Amazon ones. Ah, here we go. Here we go. Oh yeah, Amazon frame. Big power supply. Nice, nice cards. Which cards does he have again? 1070 Ti's. All right, these are 1070 Ti's. Oh, look at that. It's got one here. 1070 Ti's along here. So he's got 8 of them with 6 LED blue ball and fans above them, and then he's got the 4 backup 970 GTX 970s, he says, as backup hash power. Oh, that's pretty cool. Wow, look at that. Like, you just have them on the side and the front here. That's good. Oh, yeah, I guess because it wouldn't fit on here. Right on, Aegis. Awesome, man. Awesome, awesome. Nice submission. I like that. With the, he's got dual power supplies. I'm assuming pretty high watt. HX 1200. So that's a HX 1200. That's a Corsair branded. Yeah, it's Corsair branded. And then this looks like I don't know what this power supply brand is, but Lacey probably. Awesome, Aegis. Awesome. Okay, next up, guys. Next up, we got Darren B. Mr. Darren B. I call them my 3 little pigs. 3 little pigs. Look at these little ASICs. Look at these guys. Antminer what? Oh, these are Antminer Z9 minis. Very nice. Very nice. What's the profitability on those right now? I wonder. They must be still positive. Yeah, they must be still positive. Let me know, guys, down in the comments. Or if Darren B, if you're listening to this or watching this right now, let me know, man. Alright, last one. We got Ode Past. Ode Past just posted this today. And what has he got here? Look, these look like Sapphire cards. And these look like Asus cards. In the bathroom. Yeah, bathroom rigs. Ah, that's my man. I have a few bathroom rigs myself. Awesome, awesome. And he's got a quote here, that's how you mine shitcoins. Yes. Yes, on past. Awesome, man. I love that. I love that, man. Nice. These look like your custom-made frames. Similar to what I've done as well. Custom-made aluminum. Awesome. Alright guys, that's it. That's all the submissions I got so far. So please send me some more, guys. People who are watching right now, feel free to join my Discord. Post them in the Mining RigPics channel chat on the Discord. Or if you don't want to do that, feel free to email me at RigPics@RedPandaMining.com. RigPics@RedPandaMining.com, and I will put you in the video and showcase your mining rig setup or whatever, any mining rigs that you guys have. Oh, okay guys, yeah. Oh, last thing I want to show you guys is my website. I just got it up recently. Check it out, RedPandaMining.com. I don't really have much on it right now, but I'm gonna have like a community page, post people's rigs. I have a YouTubers community page where I post all the crypto mining YouTubers on here. I got the technicals, got the Bragging Coin, Savage Mine, BitTruth, David Texier, Bits Be Trippin', Curse Mining, Boss Coin, The Life of a Miner, Digital Gold, Son of a Tech, Seth Estrada, iMineBlocks, Mining Hardware, Crypto Mining, Angry Chicken, and myself, of course. But if I'm missing somebody, guys, let me know. Give me an email, contact@redpandaMining.com, or let me know on Discord. I got my Discord link here, or it's in the video description. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching. That is ending off with the first Community Mining Rigs Showcase, Episode 1. Thanks for watching, guys. Let me know how it went. Let me know how I did. See you later.